Meta is planning to bring its Horizon World social metaverse platform to the web, which will open up a whole new opportunity to earn more. And which way you can earn from metaverse? Today we will dig deep into it. Before we go deep into it, if you are new, just subscribe and hit the bell notification button for more of the metaverse action. Before you make money from metaverse, you must have a land or property in a virtual world. It means you must have to invest some in it. In return, you may earn tons of money. Metaverse is a digital avatar-based universe. It is a virtual reality world where user can interact and play games and experience things or activities as they would in real worlds. As metaverse is the next biggest thing in crypto world, there are one common denominator for all of these metaverse cryptocurrencies: Ethereum, Decentraland, the Sandbox, Sononium, Space, Axis Infinity, Engine Coin, and Shiba Inu all have their own native tokens, but they are all built on the Ethereum blockchain. And where it is come with the NFTs, non-fungible tokens have created a new way for gamers to generate revenue in virtual world. Non-fungible tokens (NFTs) have emerged as something of a foundation for its internal infrastructure and economy. People are using NFTs within the metaverse to purchase virtual land plots, event passes, avatars, and other digital items. So the way you can earn from meta is invest huge amount and buy real estate in metaverse. Also trading metaverse token and earn a huge money. Rather have some fun, earn in meta like play games to earn, online shopping or virtual clothing, online partying and concert participation, run e-commerce business on metaverse and delivery in real world. Open an art gallery and promote other business and lot of discovery. You can do it by yourself also. So don't be late and get just in welcomed by metaverse. It will be much more fun than you ever expect. And that's all for today, guys. Hope you all enjoy the video. If you are new, just make sure you hit the subscribe button for more of the metaverse action. See you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck and peace.